We have already seen how to compare the decimal numbers. Now let us see how to arrange or order the decimal numbers in ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means ordering the numbers from the smallest to the largest number, that is arranging the numbers from the smallest to the largest. So we need to arrange these in ascending order, that is starting from the smallest to the largest number. So how do we go about it? First, in order to compare these numbers, I need to look at the digits to the left of the decimal point. So in this number, the digit to the left of the decimal point is 0. In this number, it is 1. And in this number, it is 0. Now I know that 0 is less than 1. So these two numbers will definitely be less than this number. So this is the greatest number among these three. And because we have to arrange from the smallest to the largest, first I write down these two numbers. So 0.24, 0.29 and 1.42. Now let us look at these two numbers. In these two numbers, the digits to the left of the decimal point are equal. They are 0. So we need to look at the tens place. Now the digit in the tens place is 2 here and the digit in the tens place is 2 here. So these are also equal. So we need to move to the hundredths place. The digit in the hundredths place is 4 here and the digit in the hundredths place is 9 here. Now 9 is greater than 4. So 0.29 is greater than 0.24. So the numbers arranged in ascending order are 0.24, 0.29 and 1.42. So this is smaller than this is smaller than this. Now can you arrange these in ascending order? So we have these four numbers. First, I need to compare the digits to the left of decimal point. So over here I have 7, 7, 7, 8. I know 7 is less than 8. So these three numbers will be smaller than this number. Now I need to compare among these three. Now in these three numbers, the digits to the left of the decimal point are 7. That is, it is 7 in each case. So I need to look at the digits in the tens place. It is 5 here, 3 here, 3 here. 3 is less than 5. So the numbers containing 3 in the tens place will be less than the number containing 5 in the tens place. So these two will be smaller than this. So let us rewrite these. So 7.39, 7.31. We are yet to compare these two. 7.51 and 8.47. Now let us look at these two numbers. In these two numbers, I have 7 before the decimal point, which are equal. The digit in the tens place is 3 here. The digit in the tens place is 3 here. So I move to the hundredths place. The digit in the hundredths place is 9 here. And the digit in the hundredths place is 1 here. So 1 is smaller than 9. So this number will be smaller than this number. Because I have to arrange in ascending order, I need to put the smallest number first. So it is 7.31, then 7.39, then 7.41, 8.51 and 8.47. So these are the numbers arranged in ascending order. Now what do we mean by descending order? So descending order means ordering or arranging the numbers from the largest to the smallest number. So let us now arrange these numbers in descending order. So first I need to check the digits to the left of the decimal point. I have 1 here, 0 here, 1 here. So the numbers having 1 will be greater than the numbers having 0 to the left of the decimal point. Because I need to arrange from the largest to the smallest, I will write the bigger numbers first. So we write 1.87, 1.02. We still have to compare these two, but we know that these two, that is each of these is greater than 0.85. So I write 0.85 at the end and these two are here. Now between these two, in the tens place I have 8 here and in the tens place I have 0 here. So number having a higher tens place digit will be greater because there is 1 and 1 to the left of the decimal point. So this number is greater than this number. So the numbers arranged in descending order are 1.87, 1.02 and 0.85. So this number is greater than this number and this number is greater than this number. Now can you arrange these in descending order? So we have 4.45, 4.66, 4.40 and 5.41. So first we need to look at the digits to the left of the decimal point. These three numbers have 4 as the digits to the left of the decimal point and this has 5. So this is greater than each of these. So this is the greatest among these 4. So I write 5.41 first and then I write the other numbers as they are. So 4.45, 4.66, 4.40. Now among these three numbers, to the left of the decimal point I have 4. So I need to compare the digits in the tens place. I have 4 here, 6 here and 4 here. Now 6 is greater than 4. So this number will be greater than each of these. So this will come before these because we need to arrange in descending order, that is from the largest to the smallest, and this is greater than this. So it will come before this. So now I can write it as 5.41, 4.66 and let us write these two as they are, 4.45 and 4.40. Now we need to compare these two numbers. So we have already seen that this is equal, this is equal. So I need to compare the digits in the hundreds place. Now in the hundreds place I have 5 here and in the hundreds place I have 0 here. 5 is greater than 0. So this number is greater than this number. So these are the numbers arranged in descending order. That is from the largest to the smallest. 5.41, 4.66, 4.45 and 4.40. So these are the numbers arranged in descending order. So this is how you can arrange decimal numbers, any number of decimal numbers in ascending or descending order. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.